Hello, so I'd like to introduce you to Firecomms RedLink products. The parts come in two types: a transmitter, these are typically part numbers FT, with 1, 5, 10 and 50 megabits as the product speeds, and also receivers, which are typically called FR, again FR01, 05, 10 and FR50. Our parts basically come then in three types of connector. So these are horizontal, vertical and tilted. This is a typical horizontal part, and it takes the standard RedLink plug. The plug plugs in just like this. It also comes in a vertical part for entry to the top of the PCB, and it comes in a tilted part like this for entry at an angle. The three different types are basically to allow customers to enter the PCB in different directions depending on what suits their application. I'd like to talk to you now about Firecomms RedLink's parts and why they're used in power electronics. These parts are typically used in drive control. They're used with IGBTs, thyristors, and now in the next generation of parts with silicon carbide drives. The reason Firecomms RedLink parts are ideal for these applications is because they provide a DC to 1, 5 or 10 megabit data rate, which is ideal for these drives, and also the most important thing is they provide extremely high EMI immunity. The EMI immunity is extremely important in a power electronic drive because the IGBT or silicon carbide device that's being switched is generating very large amounts of EMI. It's generating this because it's switching large currents. These large currents would normally interfere with digital electronics, but the Firecomms receivers have built into them dual differential photodiodes that provide very large immunity to this switching noise. And this is the primary benefit of using Firecomms RedLink devices to switch and drive your IGBT, silicon carbide switch, or in legacy situations, thyristors. So Firecomms RedLink parts, again, use plastic optic fiber. The light is red light, 650 nanometers, which is visible to the eye. This is very useful for maintenance technicians who can see the light and understand if the link is operational or not. The data rates operate down to DC, and this means that signals can be held on or off as required for command and control applications. So, once again, Firecomms parts are ideal for driving power electronics applications because they can have a standby mode holding a DC signal, or they can operate at the right speeds for drives, which is typically 25 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz, or these types of low data rates. The receiver parts have, as we said, built-in photodiode technology to give very high EMI immunity. And again, this is really important for drives. The last things to remember are Firecomms connectors are vibration insensitive, and they operate over an industrial temperature range. So they operate from -40 to +85 degrees. Again, in drive technology, this temperature range is very important, where the drives can become quite hot, but the control electronics may be in a very cool area. If we take the example of a train, this train may be operating on a side rail where, for example, in Siberia, the temperatures could be down to -40 degrees. But once powered up, the same connector needs to be operated at high temperatures once the engine bay heats up. This is the ideal application, again, for Firecomms RedLink devices. Firecomms supports the next generation of drive control through its DC to 50 megabit part. As applications get faster and drives are now being driven not just individually, but in a network system where a number of drives are connected together and need to be coordinated. The Firecomms DC to 50 RedLink products are an ideal connector system to allow you to network different drives in a very immune system where electromagnetic interference does not travel from one drive to another or from any of the drives back to the controller. So Firecomms DC to 50 megabit solution is ideal for supporting IGBT and silicon carbide drives in next generation technology where the drives are networked through a central controller. The plastic optic fiber connector and the plastic optic fiber provide ideal EMI immunity. They isolate the drive from the controller. They also provide the right technology in terms of supporting standby signals with DC and supporting up to 50 megabits in order to send data across the drives to the controller, supporting not just the switching information, but also information from sensors, such as temperature sensors or vibration sensors that are located in the drive, and bringing that data back to the controller. With a DC to 50 link networking your drives, you can provide a modern IGBT or silicon carbide control system in a network situation using Firecomms RedLink devices.